everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great as usual and wish you a very happy new year. This is my first video of the new year 2020 and you guys supported me a little bit in 2019, but hope this support will increase in 2020. So eagerly waiting for your support and for your love. And this is the look that I created for this video, and if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So let's start with some skincare first, and for that here I'm using my sun coat, that is the sunscreen lotion, all over my face and neck. I always apply sunscreen, be it rainy season, summer season or winter season, and it's going right now. I never forget to apply the sunscreen, so you should also apply the sunscreen lotion daily, whether you're going out or just staying at home and chilling at home. You should always apply a sunscreen lotion, as this is the winter season, so I need a much heavy moisturizing in my skin. So that's why here I am using the Face Shop's moisturizer. It's a balm, it's not a moisturizer, it's a balm, and it is multi-purpose balm, and also it is 100% natural origin. So it looks like this. You can see the consistency, it is like this one, and this I'm gonna apply it all over my face. For my under eye area, I am using my L'Oreal's Hydra Fresh Antiox Grapeseed Hydrating Mask in Eye Gel. This is this, and I just like the packaging. It's very nice and cute. The jar is of glass and they are having metallic pink color lid to it, and it's just looking awesome. Well, this is I'm going to apply it under my eye. Again, this is about to finish. It's okay. Firstly, I am going to rub it with my ring finger, and then I'm to apply it all over my eyes. So let's start with the eyes first, and for that here I am using my L'Oreal's Eye Eraser Concealer in the shade 110 Fair, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. This is the beauty blender that I'm using. It is having small pores in it. I don't know whether you are able to see it on screen, the pores, but it is having some pores. And this is the beauty blender I am using for the first time, and I don't think the concealer is getting blended with this one, so I will switch to my original beauty blender. As you can see, this is much softer and this is harder. Even when I opened it for the first time, it was very hard, and when I damped it with water, it is still hard, not that much soft. To set the concealer, I am using my Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium, again with my beauty blender. As my son's favorite color is purple, so I decided to do purple smoky eye look, and for that I'm using my favorite palette, that is the Desert Dust from Huda Beauty, and this is purple color, that is the amethyst color. So let's begin. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna mix the two eyeshadows, that is the Blazing, this is the Blazing, and Eden. These two shades I'm gonna mix in a fluffy brush, tap off the excess if any, and then apply just above the crease. So this will act as the transition shade. Also, you want much of the product in the outer area of the eye than in the inner one, so place as much as product in the outer and then start blending it towards in. Now in the outer V corner, I'm gonna take this color Odd, that is the dark brown eyeshadow from the palette, in the same fluffy brush, and I'm gonna place it outer corner and start blending with the transition shade. To intensify the outer V corner a little bit more, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, and with the help of smudging brush, I'm going to place it outer V corner. And again I'm going to blend it with the help of my fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna do a cut crease, and for that I'm again using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer with my angled brush. Now I'm gonna place the color Amethyst, that is the purple eyeshadow from the palette, just beside the black eyeshadow. So we don't need to apply the purple eyeshadow in the complete eyelid, just the 3/4 area. And again I'm gonna do the cut crease. And now with the help of a smaller brush like this, I'm gonna take the desert sand. This is matte eyeshadow and apply it in the inner corner to line my eyelids. I'm using the L'Oreal's black gel liner. If you're not comfortable with the gel liners, then you can apply any eyeliner that you have, maybe a liquid liner or just a pencil. It's up to you, whichever is comfortable, you can apply that. I just feel like darkening the outer V corner a little bit more, so I'm applying the black eyeshadow just in the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm gonna apply this glitter. It's white. It's not completely white. It is having a chunk of green in it. I really like this one. To apply the glitter, I'm using my NYX glitter glue. Take any small brush you have. Just a little amount of the glue on the edge of the purple and the matte eyeshadow that we apply. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply glitter. Now let's move to the base makeup. Here I am using my Glow On facial oil from Etude House. Just a pump. For the foundation, I am using my L'Oreal's True Match foundation in the shade Beige Rose. Taking it at the back of my hand and applying it with my wet beauty blender. Concealer in the usual places like under my eye area, my chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. For contouring, again my contour stick from Popular in the usual places like below my cheekbones, my jawline and sides of the nose. And let's blend quickly. Set the concealer again. Here goes my Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. For bronzer, I am using my Makeup Revolution London's bronzer. This got into pieces in my previous video. Let's move back to the eyes, and to tightline my lower as well as upper waterline, I'm using my Maybelline's Colossal Black Kajal. Here I am applying the black eyeshadow with my smudging brush to make the kajal stay longer and smudge proof, and also I'm smoking it out. Now by taking the amethyst color, that is the purple eyeshadow, in the same smudging brush, I'm gonna smooth out the edges of the black eyeshadow. For mascara, I'm using my Maybelline's The Falsies Push Up Drama in the shade black. This is the first time I'm using this mascara. For blush, I am using my CHAMBOR's blush stick in the shade Crimson and applying it with my blush brush. For highlighter, I am using my Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold on the cheekbones, under my brow bone, tip of my nose, bit on the bridge, bits brow and chin. Let's quickly fill in the eyebrows, and for that I am using my brow pencil from Etude House in the shade medium brown. Now with the help of the spoolie, I'm going to brush off the excess product. I'm going to use the falsies, and this is the Pro Art 003, and I will be back after applying my falsies. So I'm done with my eyelashes, and for the lips I'm gonna line my lips with like nude lip liner. For the lipstick, I'm using my Revlon's matte liquid lipstick in the shade Flirtation. So this is the final look for the today's video with purple smoky and little bit of glitter eye look with nude lipstick. I really enjoyed creating this look and I hope you all will like this look, and if you recreate this look then do not forget me to tag in the Instagram. And if you like the look, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos, and to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check that. Also follow me on TikTok, so the ID of the TikTok will also be given in the description box below, so do check that as well. I'm very thankful to all my followers and all my friends and all the YouTube family out there for supporting me in the year 2019, and I got a little bit of support and a little bit of love in 2019, and I hope the 2020 will be a boom of support and love. So eagerly waiting for all your love and all your support. So please guys, do support me, to follow my channel, and once again wish you a very happy new year. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.